Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. This would have been a crazy extreme declutter here, but the problem was there was no lighting in the garage. Therefore, I couldn't even record everything. But let me show you some of the items that I brought home with me. Before I get into that, if you're new here, my name is Kim with a Y, K-Y-M. I do videos pertaining to home life. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, make sure you do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Hit the like button, hype your girl up, and share me. All of these things are free. I'm going to take you along with me. This is Mother's Day weekend. I had so much on my plate that I wanted to do, but not a lot of cleaning because I try to do all of my deep cleaning throughout the week so that I can spend my weekends doing whatever the heck I want to do. After we handled all the decluttering, I came home and I cooked because we were hungry. So I decided to make some lamb, potatoes, and some broccoli. So I'll show you some of that process. But I'm that girl that needs to straighten up before I cook. I want to make sure that my kitchen is clean. If you are the same way, leave me some purple hearts below in the comments. I'm also going to take you on a few field trips with me. I wanted to go to Buc-ee's for Mother's Day as well as go see the bison. I love being out in nature. It centers me. It makes me feel good. It helps with my anxiety. And you already know Kim is on a healing journey. I hope you are too.
Ahead of me, but trust that I'll keep fighting it. I keep fighting it. Might not be an easy road. I know it's gonna be worth it though. No, it's gonna be worth it though. Now I got feel the adrenaline when I step out on my own. I try to see it like medicine. I feel it in my soul. I can't go on. Can nothing stop me? No, give up. No, I know I won't. It's already.
I often get questions about how I season my meat, and it's different depending on what it is exactly that I'm making. So I hope you took a screenshot of that, but season how you want, okay? I know you just saw those mouse traps, and if you were here for the last video, you know that there were mice in my garage. They were obviously stuck on a trap, but I wanted to make sure that I got more because they started digging behind me to build condos behind me. So I'm like, oh my gosh, are they gonna come back in my garage again? I cannot take it, okay? Your girl almost had a panic attack. Let me know below in the comments if you have a work bag. This stripe bag is my work bag. It has everything that you could think of in it because sometimes when you're at work, you might spill something on your clothes. Therefore, you need like a shout stick or Tide stick or whatever it's called. There's Vaseline, there's medication, there's deodorant, there's toothpaste, there's floss, all kinds of lip glosses and lip liners because I am addicted to lip gloss. Not really, but I like to say that because I wear lip gloss all of the time. But anyway, just let me know below in the comments if you have a work bag. Some of the products that I'm showing you in this video, I'm going to tag. That way, if you want to shop for them, you definitely can because I got all kinds of good stuff, including a brand new air fryer. My daughter wanted a brand new air fryer because we had the air fryer when they first came out. Old school 1972 air fryer. Now we have a brand new one and she can use it at her leisure. I had also been wanting to replace some lampshades, so when I saw that there were lampshades on the truck, I grabbed some of those as well. If you want to know the story behind the truck and also the storage unit, you'll have to let me know and I can discuss that with you. And hopefully the next time I go, I'll bring some sort of flashlights or some sort of lighting so you can see all the things that we have in there. We take a lot of donations from different companies, and a lot of times they tell us, hey, if you don't have anyone to donate this to, you can keep some of these items yourself. So that's exactly what we did. If you're a mama, let me know how your Mother's Day was. Let me know what you did. Also, let me know what you've been up to. What have you been reading? What have you been watching? I recently watched a movie called Regretting You on Prime. Y'all, it was off the hook. So if you're looking for a movie to watch, definitely check that out. It was really good.
Things you don't understand. Broken roads, faded dreams. Been trying to find your way again. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side, even in the change. I won't walk away. No, I promise I'll stay. Promise I'll stay.
Before we took our road trip to Buc-ee's, I definitely wanted to get my car cleaned out because I had not vacuumed this car out since probably the beginning of winter. I really needed to work on these mats in my car, but I didn't have time to do that because my daughters were like, okay, Mom, we're ready now. So I wanted to get that handled so that we could drive down there in a clean car. It's about an hour away from us. There were some Arm & Hammer wipes in the donation boxes that were sent to us, and I wanted to make sure that I got everything wiped down. Those are the good wipes for your car, okay? And they actually have a really good scent to them as well.
You don't understand. Broken roads, faded dreams. Been trying to find your way again. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side, even in the change. They might walk away, but I promise I'll stay.
I cannot even tell you how excited I was to go to Buc-ee's. I have seen so many YouTube videos of people in the South at Buc-ee's where they have the chiropractors in there. They have eyeglass places, nail places, and that sort of thing. Now, this was a smaller Buc-ee's. It's brand new. It opened, I believe, sometime in April. But nonetheless, I still enjoyed myself. I had a great time. I just was walking around in my own element. I'm the type of person I like to discover new things, and this was really right up my alley. So I was thankful my daughters wanted to go. My daughters have already been to Buc-ee's. They were at one in Georgia, and they said it was way bigger than this one, but I still had fun, and I was trying to get all kinds of stuff. Let me tell you something about the brisket here, y'all. That brisket is the truth, and I'm real funny about food. I like homemade food filled with flavor. This brisket was juicy, filled with flavor, smoky. They were not skimpy on how much meat they gave you, and I was basically full for the rest of the day. On our way back to the house, I was like, oh, I forgot that we are actually close to where the bison are, because the bison are probably about 40 minutes from my house. And it was literally not that far from Buc-ee's, so we stopped here. I love going to see the bison. Again, I love being in nature. And they were just doing their own thing in their own element. I was trying to get them to come closer, but they wouldn't pay me no kind of attention at all whatsoever.
Promises, silence, it's only on the emptiness. Let go.
It's springtime, so you know it's been raining a lot here, and I had a whole bunch of weeds that came up back on my patio, so I wanted to get that handled. And one of my friends here on YouTube, her name is Daphne. She has a channel called Daphne's Outdoor Living. She actually has a few channels, but on that specific channel, she was using a product called Preen, and she was putting it down as a weed barrier and a weed preventer. And once I saw her do that, I was like, you know what, let me go and get some of that. So my husband went and got some for me. So I'll be laying this out across the rocks on my patio area. Hopefully I won't have to pull as many, weeds as there normally are. So we're going to go ahead and get this preen tried out, see how it works, and I will definitely let you know. Let me know below in the comments what type of weed prevention you use. Oh my gosh, that was a tongue twister. Let me know what you use, or if you don't mind just pulling the weeds, or if you've ever used preen before. There are some natural products that I've used before in order to prevent the weeds or just to kill the weeds. And you can put some salt, vinegar, and Dawn dish soap and just spray it on your weeds. That works very well. Within a few hours, they will start to die down and they're very easy to pull at that point. My daughters and I did pick up some shirts from Buc-ee's that I'm going to show you. And I also had some new clothes that I needed to take the tags off and put in the dirty clothes so that my husband could wash those for me. But I love the shirt. I thought it was so cute. Thank you for hanging out with me on Mother's Day weekend. I had such an amazing weekend. We just lived it up for real, for real. I feel like my kids always do a really good job celebrating me, as well as my husband. For some upcoming videos, I do have some projects that I need to work on around the house. So if you are interested in seeing those, let me know below in the comments. I found that the projects don't really get a lot of views. However, I'm a film whatever, you know what I'm saying? But if you want to see those, just let me know below in the comments. Make sure you're taking care of yourself. Make sure you're loving on yourself and getting your mental health all the way together. Make sure you're saying those affirmations, but you definitely have to look in the mirror when you say those affirmations. They are so meaningful and you will feel it deep down in your soul. I want to heal. I want you to heal. We deserve happiness in our lives. If you have any kind of prayer requests, let me know. Make sure that you pray for one of my friends. She's here on YouTube. Her name is P-Dub Stuff. Miss Patricia, I just love her so much. Keep her in your prayers, please. And on that note, your girl is out, okay? I hope all of you have an amazing week, and I will see you next time.
I can't keep up. She miss me and I gus. Can tell by how she stress.